Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video, we'll see the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, that is the expiry day. And also I'll show you my today's loss which I booked, which was very minimal. I survived, and it was not even like kind of 0.7-0.65% of my deployed capital. So I'll just try to explain the little bit of the psychology, how I played, and I was able to come out in a very minimal loss which I can recover it in the coming trading sessions. So first, let's discuss about the Nifty and the Bank Nifty for tomorrow, at what levels I am looking at. So as you know, today, like yesterday, after the gap down, almost after closing, giving a negative closing, today we got a kind of a 0.5% of gap up opening here somewhere, and then after that Nifty came down here, and today we see a positive sign in Nifty. But the interesting fact was that Nifty was not able to touch 16,000 levels, and it almost closed at the same levels, 15,900. So the levels we need to check for tomorrow is, first, my support zone will be 15,900, which I am looking for. So if we get a kind of, again, how market closed today, seems like we will be getting some kind of little bit of positive opening. That's what the hope is. But if we get above 16,000, so our next level, so we have to check whether Nifty is able to sustain this level, because Nifty has rejected this level and have come down. So we have to check first thing if it's sustained at this level, and then we can create long position accordingly for intraday. Similarly, if I talk about on the downside, if it's not able to sustain 15,900 levels, we cannot see we can again wait for Nifty to sustain below this level and go 15,800. Then we can create short positions in Nifty based on this level. Now talking about the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, as you know, like Bank Nifty, almost the banks today's outperformed really well. The quite like the State Bank of India, ICICI, HDFC. So these banks actually performed well, and we got a bank was able to hold levels above 34,100. Initially in the morning, it tried to come down below 34,000, but it didn't sustain for a long time, and it again take a up move from this levels. So the interesting thing tomorrow will be that if Bank Nifty is able to sustain above 34,200, which I am considering as the nearest support based on today's closing, and then if it's able to sustain this level, and we see like during the day we see up moves above this level, we can see Bank Nifty somewhere around 34,500 to 800 levels. That's what I'm expecting. Otherwise, if Bank Nifty we get a negative opening tomorrow, or if Bank Nifty comes down below 34,200 levels, so then we can again think of creating a short position based on we don't get any reversal again from this level. So we have to wait for that confirmation for Bank Nifty, and if it comes down below 34,000, obviously then the Bank Nifty will turn bearish for me. So this is what my levels are. Now let me show you my positions for today. So I'll not be showing the position which I am carrying for tomorrow, but I'll show you my exact loss and what was the psychology behind exactly taking those position and exiting it at what levels. So first thing I would like to highlight here is that the first important thing today was working on the levels. So as I always share my levels and how I have shared it yesterday as well, I worked completely on this levels. So as and when Bank Nifty was breaking the levels, I was quite comfortable in exiting my position, because today was a SL hunting day. So if you put a big SL, obviously your SL is going to market is going to take away your stop loss. So better you know at what level you need to exit. So I have exited my position at those level, and I didn't give a second thought in re-entering if I can re-enter in the same position. The other thing was I have kept a very minimal position sizing. I didn't increase the position sizing a lot today, because as you can see from the morning itself, we didn't get any kind of decay in the premium. So it was kind of not giving me a comfortable kind of situation to deploy my capital, or how, with how like normally what I do on Wednesday. So I didn't deploy my entire capital, and I played with very minimal capital today, tried because of the decay thing, because there was not of much decay. Now carrying our overnight position when yesterday, so yesterday market closed very negative, and I didn't carry much positions because of the fact that at the last till the market fall down, we didn't have, like, the calls were almost in a discounted price, so I don't want to enter in the calls. Puts were something like where we cannot enter in the puts because it was already double the rates, and market was already showing negative closing, so I didn't take, and so I don't have a overnight position. So that actually also saved me today, because I took fresh positions today and I worked and I exited. And the important thing was position sizing, which I always mention in my videos, that I keep based on the premiums, based on the how the decay is happening, I take my positions. So I took a very light position based on the capital what I have, because capital protection is also very important in trading. You need to understand that you will get a number of days when you can actually earn profits in the market, but if you don't protect your capital, this kind of days can take away your entire capital also. So you have to be very cautious in taking those positions. So let me show my Zerodha account as well, where I took positions, and it was very light position. So that was again one of the reasons why I didn't book a huge loss there. So as you can see here, this is my exact loss. Let me refresh it again. So this was my loss, 92,000, which I posted on my Twitter timeline as well. So this was my loss, and this was like very minimal. As you can see, the day history shows only 7 positions. So I don't have much position, and I didn't carry overnight position as well. So this is how I was able. One thing was the position sizing. The other thing was the risk management. I was able to exit my position. So that's what you can see. The losses which I booked was very minimal. So this is what I wanted to share with you all. Hope you like this video. If you like, you can subscribe to my channel as well. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.